Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and related to reviews. Under hauls I have videos for makeup, skincare, accessories, clothing, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under makeup section, under review section, I do have lot of videos related to videos and also comparison videos of two different products or maybe same brand different products. In short, I have lot of products, lot of videos on my channel. So if you are looking out for such kind of content, then please take out a moment, consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now basically few days earlier I have shared one video which is for affordable, like it is basically an affordable makeup kit. I want to get all kind of affordable products on my channel, that is each and every person can buy it and can enjoy the products. So I have already shared one affordable makeup kit. I am planning to share one video on affordable skincare as well, but it will be later. Today I am going to share some of, not exactly affordable, but some of the basic accessories I'm sorry, which you will require for doing your makeup. Okay, it is like basic makeup accessories. Okay, you can do 1920 here or there, or maybe some adjustments in the accessories, but basically if you have all these accessories, you can easily do your makeup. The first product, of course, in a makeup routine is a beauty blender. I will suggest you can go for a good beauty blender. Invest at least in one blender which will not soak up your foundation, and it will give you like normal to medium coverage, because beauty blender will give you normal finishing. Alright, so this is the first product. Now the second product I would like to share with you is some kind of makeup brushes. Okay, in this makeup brushes you can either go for this kind of sets, but in this there is only one problem. Only this is the set for face makeup brushes. Okay, these are face makeup, but if you want to go for some set which have face as well as eye makeup, then I will suggest you can go for, I'll show you, you can go for this kind of makeup brush sets. Okay, of course this product is purchased by me from Shein, and it is not purchased recently, it is purchased long back. So these are like this kind of makeup brushes you can purchase, and if possible for me, I link few of the affordable makeup brushes in the description box, or maybe it will be pinned in the comment section, so you can definitely check up and you can go ahead and you can buy. It will contain each and everything like eye makeup as well as the face makeup. I have basically this kind of sets. This is face makeup and basic, and you all know, if you are following me from a long time, then you all know I am lazy in doing my eye makeup. I generally avoid, but for the sake of having some makeup brushes and all, I have this kind of set. Okay, it includes face and eye makeup. Alright, so you can have few set, or maybe if you are someone who do not want to invest, then you can go for some individual brushes, but then individual brushes will cost you a little bit more. So if you are ready, if you are willing to spend, then definitely you can go for individual brushes as well. Now when you talk about makeup brushes and all, then definitely you will require some kind of cleaning. Okay, you can either swirl on your hands also, if not you can buy this kind of cleaning tool. Okay, basically it is known as brush egg, which is written over here, brush egg. You can get this kind of brush egg anywhere. It is available easily on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, everywhere. So you can get this kind of brush egg to just swirl your brush, and you can easily clean. You can just pour some shampoo, mild shampoo, and you can easily clean your makeup brushes. So this is that, right? The next accessory is, if you have some kind of spray bottle, then it will be very handy. I have this kind of spray bottle. You can get this kind of spray bottle offline anywhere nearby your stores. So you all can get this kind of spray bottle whenever you want to spray something. Yeah, you want to just do some makeup where you require to spray water, or maybe splash some rose water or something, then definitely this kind of spray bottle is very useful. Then you will require some, if you are into eyelash application, then definitely you will require, because directly putting your eyelashes with the plucker, eyebrow plucker or something, then it will be very difficult. Then I will suggest you can go for this kind of eyelash applicator. Okay, this kind of eyelash applicator, basically I do not apply, but this is just for the sake of keeping it. I've already purchased it. You can keep this kind of eyelash applicator. Even this is available basically everywhere. Whichever like products possible for me, I will link each and every products for you in the comment section, so you can check the comment section. Or else, suppose if at all it is not linked, then definitely you can ask me in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also, and the Instagram handle will also be given in the description box. You can check it out, and you can follow me over there, and you can DM me on Instagram also for any kind of queries. You can definitely DM me over there. So this is the next thing. Then if you want to mix some foundation, and right now you all know what is the situation, you cannot, like, there is safe distancing and everything, I will suggest you can have this kind of makeup plate. Okay, this is the plate. Okay, and this is the spatula where you can take out the product and you can just mix it on the plate. Like you want to mix some glowy base with the foundation, or whatever you want to mix some two products. You have one darker foundation, you want to mix it with some other lighter foundation, or whatever you want to mix it, then you can use this kind of mixing plate. It will be hygienic, as well as if you are doing someone else's makeup also, it will look little bit professional, right? Pouring the foundation on the back of your hand, it doesn't look that professional. So if you want to look professional, you can keep. This is an optional, of course. It's not necessary, but if you have, of course you can use it. So this is the next accessory. The next accessory is totally optional, but I would like to have it because since I have, as I told you, I have a son of 12 years and sometimes he plays at home also, and when I'm applying my nail polish, then it is possible that the nail polish will break down, or it will fall off somewhere, or whatever. So for that, if you have this kind of nail polish ring, then it will be beneficial for you. In this, you can just keep your nail polish and it will like stick into it. Not exactly stick, it will hold the nail polish properly and it will not move. And you can wear this ring in your finger and then you can apply your nail polish. This is very safe. And suppose if you are traveling also somewhere and you want to just keep your nail polish and you want to like apply the nail polish while traveling, this is the best option. While traveling, you can easily apply your nail polish. Now, these are basically tools which is required for your basic makeup. Now we will move little bit forward. Okay, if you want to do some nail art, okay, then for nail art and all, you do get this kind of sets. These are some nail art rings or whatever, films or whatever you call. This is that. Plus you get this kind of nail art tools. You all can see, these are the nail art tools. Right, you all can get these tools easily on Flipkart. Basically, I got these tools from Flipkart. If possible, I link this also in the comment section, or else not there, then you can easily check out, it is available. So this kind of nail art tools also you can keep. If you are into nails, nail arts and all, definitely you can keep. Now further moving, like I have included the nails, I have included eye, face makeup, everything. Now moving little bit further, we'll go towards the eyebrow part as well as the hair part. Now when we talk about, I have kept my machines over here, that is why I'm just bending little bit. When you talk about, just take it on my lap. When you talk about some instruments for your hairs and all, I will suggest you can go for this kind of straightener. Any kind of straightener. I have this. Okay, this is from Siska. Okay, this is the straightener which I have. This is Professional Care. This is iron straightener, hair straightener, and I love this straightener very much. I think it's almost 2 years of mine using this straightener and I do not have any issues with this kind of straightener. So you all can keep straightener. And if you are into curls and all, basically I am not into curls, but of course if you are into curls, then definitely you can buy separately curler or something. But since I am not, I got this straight curler free with, I think, some shampoo. I'm not sure. It was free with Tresemme shampoo. So I have only one mini curler, but I never use this. Okay, so this is like kept. But if you are into straightener, curling and all, if you want to buy separately, you can buy separately, or else you can even curl your hair with the straightener also. There you just have to follow some techniques. You can curl your hair with the straightener also easily. It depends on the size of the straightener. Okay, how you can do it using different techniques. You can easily curl your hair also. Right, so this is the second product. If you want to trim your eyebrow or something, then you can just get some kind of eyebrow trimmer which is like from Bronson or maybe from any particular professional place. Individual review of this is already up on my channel. I have not actually shown how to do it, because in that video I specified I'm the only one and I cannot do and I cannot shoot the video. So in that video I have already shown you what all items it contains and everything. If possible, I'll link the video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you want, you can go ahead and you can check what all things it covers and everything, how it operates. Everything is covered in that video, so you can get that also. You can get this kind of machine also. Also, if you want to have some kind of blow dryer, then definitely you can get the blow dryer also, which will blow dry your hair as well. I'll just show you the blow dryer. You can go for this kind of blow dryer. This is from Alan Truman. I've already done one separate individual video for this. If you want, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. You can easily go ahead and watch that video. In that, I've shown you how to use this as well as how to take the, because this is purchased by me online, that is from Myntra I've got this, and how to get the warranty and everything I've discussed in that video. You can definitely go ahead and watch. I'll just show you how it looks, because like looking at in this also you do get 4-5 colors. That is the color over here. You get 3 to 4 colors. I think one is sea green, one is blue, one is black and grey. Basically I wanted to go for that black and grey one, but unfortunately when I placed an order that time it was out of stock, and the offer was excellent at that time on Myntra. So I think I got this product on around 2100 or something for that. So this is how it looks. This is the blow dryer. Okay, y'all can see, right? This is like the temperature and everything. These are the temperatures over here. I won't show you in detail because in that video I've already discussed, but this is how the blow dryer looks. So like these are the basically basic equipments or basic tools which you need to have when you are doing. Of course, there are exceptions, there are options, there are endless possibilities, but these are basically what I think when you start doing some makeup or when you start doing something on your own. Basic requirement is this much, plus minus anything up to you. You can work on yourself, you can do add less anything, right? There is no compulsion on anything, and of course there is no rules for makeup. Makeup is just to make you beautiful, just to get out your inner beauty, right? And it is not that to hide your problematic area. It is just to enhance your beauty, and each and every of us are beautiful. They are excellent people. They have very good nature. Yeah. So yeah, basically I have covered each and every point, but still if you want to have any kind of particular link or anything, don't forget to DM me or else comment down below. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and ask your friends also to subscribe my channel. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.